welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If you're new for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. I hope that before you leave, you'll hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so that way you'll be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it, okay? So as you've already read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. I did get this unit within 3 to 4 days, so super excited to try it out. So let's not waste no time, let's not play no games. Let's go ahead and cut her open and see what she's working with. So I did get this unit from BLY Hair on Amazon, and this is the box that it comes with. It is a 8-inch bob with bang, 100% human hair, and I want to say 150% density. I'll have the link down below so y'all can check it out, but I believe that that's what the specs were. You get your wig and a wig cap. This is the wig right out of the box. She has, like I said, a bang. She also has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, and she comes with adjustable straps. So let's go ahead and see what she working with. Let's try her on.
Production. Blank Beats Production.
Alright, so I am done styling this unit, and I think this will be how I would wear her. Not all the time, but I do like the way I went ahead and styled it with the headband, little pieces on the side. I love wearing headbands with bangs. So yeah, so this is what we got. So let's go ahead and just get into the specs. So the hair is super soft. The cap fits nice. I didn't even have to adjust the adjustable straps. The combs slid right in. They're nice and snug. So that's a plus for me. I love the length. I love that it's not so thick. I love everything about the wig. I mean, I do. I ain't even gonna lie, okay? I did use my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray to flat iron. I also used my Garnier Fruit Tease Sleek and Shine to lay down some of the flyaways. And then I went in with my razor comb, still got a little hair on it, to kind of thin the bang out just a little bit. And this is what we got. So this will definitely be a nice wig for the summertime. Like I said, it's super lightweight, super breathable. I can feel the AC on my neck. So your girl is happy. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way you guys can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.